Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so that way you can become part of this family. If you guys are already part of this family, welcome back. As you guys saw in the title of this video, this is just like a lash update for you guys. I tried to get as close as I could. Well, I guess I could get a little bit closer to kind of show you guys like what the lashes look like, how long it's been, when's my next appointment, yada yada yada, all that good stuff. So this is just like a little lash update. I'm also in the process of getting ready for work, so you know, that's why my face is literally bare and I have all these like dark circles. I did not sleep good last night at all. So these lashes, I've had these lashes on now for about almost 2.5 weeks, and my appointment is going to be in like 6 days. I would
He needs some milk.
I'm dying. I will say that I love the lashes. I love the lashes. The one thing I noticed is that this eye fell out a lot quicker than this eye did. So this one still looks a little bit fuller than that one, and you guys can see that. I don't really know why. Some of these ones on this side bother me a little bit underneath, but I'm not sure if it's just the way that they were installed, if it's my eye just being sensitive, if it's just one lash, you know, because when it comes to your eyes, it can be like one lash and it feels like it's the end of the world. But other than that, I haven't had any problems with the lashes at all. I do have a lash shampoo that I use on the lashes, and I clean them once a day. So that's either if I wear makeup, I'll clean them as I take the makeup off. After I take my makeup off, I'll clean my lashes. If I don't wear makeup, I clean them in the morning, like with, you know, me doing my daily makeup cleansing skincare routine. I'll do it then. So that's been really good. I stopped using the brush that they sent with it though, because I didn't feel like it was sanitary. So I started using just Q-tips, spray the shampoo on the Q-tip and then clean them that way, because it's like a one and done, then you throw it away type of thing. The brush, I feel like it just, I would have had to have like shampoo to clean that brush too. And I do have shampoo, but I don't know. It's just something mentally that I just didn't like. But yeah, so like I said, this one's a little bit fuller than that one. And yeah, I really do like them. I'm going again, like I said, in 6 days. I'm really excited about getting the fill so I can like look full again. I'm excited to go back to the same girl who did them again. I'm pretty sure she's gonna be my new lash girl. Shout out to Summer. She's very sweet. The ambiance in the room was very like organic and natural, and just made you feel very welcome and very relaxed. And I really enjoy going to places that make me feel like I'm at home in a way. And that's exactly how I felt with her. And you know, she asked me all these questions. I was kind of like, I had no idea. I still don't really know what she did as far as, you know, this, but when I go back, I'm just gonna let her do her thing, because at this point I trust her judgment, and I trust her with my eyes. So that's a big compliment when you trust someone with your eyes, you know. But yeah, I'm super excited to go back to get a fill. Another quick tip, guys, I actually did my own hair this time. There's a long story behind why I had to do my own hair. It has absolutely nothing to do with the girl that usually does my hair. Yeah, but I was supposed to get it done, and then there was like an in-between lapse, and then things didn't work out, and it's just crazy how like life works. Maybe I'll do a video about it to tell you guys really the scoop behind what happened with my hair. But I am gonna get my hair done. I don't know if I want to get it highlighted or if I want to just get it dyed all black dark. You guys already know the ends of my hair have like an ombre thing going on from highlights that are growing out from a while ago. I don't know if I want to just cover up those highlights with like my natural hair color, which is the dark that you see, or if I want to highlight the whole thing again, get a sew-in. I don't know. You guys just let me know, kind of maybe in the comments, social media, if you guys see this video on there, let me know what you guys think. Like, what should I do? But I'm gonna have a decision made for sure within the next couple of days. So I'm gonna get this video up. Can I talk? I'm gonna get this video up ASAP, so that way I can kind of see what you guys say as far as feedback to me and what you think I should do, because I do value opinions from you guys, because I feel like you guys are genuine. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all this video was about, just a little short update video. I'm gonna do my makeup now and get ready for work. I literally got 15 minutes to do a quick makeup routine. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will see you guys in my next vid. I love you guys. Have a great day.